Hello, I am going to spend the next couple of minutes going over the instructions for the files that were sent to you via Egnyte. At a minimum, you should see at least 2 files in your folder. The maximum amount could vary. It is possible to have as many as 6, maybe even more files. Regardless of the amount, be sure to download and save each file to your computer. The easiest way to do that is checking the box here and then clicking on the download selected link. So now I'll go over each file in the folder. For sure, 2 files will be included, the client file and the signature documents. The client file contains the federal return, supporting statements and schedules, and if applicable, any state returns. Use this file for your own review. If you encounter any inaccuracies, please notify us so we can make the correction. Do not sign and send the signature documents back to us if a return is inaccurate. We will need to update the return and send you the new files. We recommend that you keep a copy of this file for your records. The signature documents are the tax forms that you will need to print, sign, and send back to us. When signed, the documents give us the authority to e-file your returns to the taxing authorities. Depending on your state, you may have either 1 or 2 forms to sign. On this slide are a couple of examples of signature documents. Form 8879 is the federal form, and this should be included in your file. The form on the right is the e-file form for the state of California, and it is only being used as an example for illustration purposes in this video. Your state form will be included in your file if you are required to sign one. The state form will look similar to the federal form. So for the federal form, you will need to sign and date it. If you are filing a joint return, a signature will also be needed from your spouse. The taxpayer listed on the document will need to sign and date here, while the spouse will sign and date here. The state signature document will have a similar setup. Again, the taxpayer will sign here, and the spouse will sign here. Once signed, send the form or forms back to us so we can e-file the personal return. The most common extra forms that could be included are vouchers. This includes federal and state tax payment vouchers as well as estimated tax vouchers. The first is the tax voucher from the tax return. So here is an example of a voucher. Other vouchers, including state vouchers, will look similar to this. The top portion gives instructions as to how the payment should be made and when payment is due. For mailing payments, be sure to detach here and mail the voucher along with payment. The next voucher is an estimated tax payment voucher. These are payments that are made for the current tax year. So you can have federal estimated tax payments, such as the one shown here, or you could have state estimated tax payment vouchers included. I just want to emphasize that these are not installment payments for your tax bill. These are payments that will be applied to your next year's tax return. So these are separate from your current tax voucher, which will be applied towards the bill or the tax liability that is on the tax return that we just prepared for you. So of the estimated tax payments, there can be up to 4 vouchers, so pay close attention to each due date. As you can see, this looks very similar to the voucher shown previously. The instructions for filing are listed here, and the date due is listed here. Again, for mailing payments, be sure to detach here and mail the voucher along with payment. If there are other forms that are part of your file that are not included in this video, those instructions will be located in the body of the email. These forms can possibly include local tax returns. Be sure to send us a copy of your signed signature documents, and you can send them via upload, email, or fax. If you do decide to upload your signature documents back to us, the same link that is listed here on this slide is also included in the instruction email, and all you'll need to do is click on that link within that email to take you to the website where you can upload the signature documents. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.